Part two, what do women think and feel about you? Before I continue, I just want to say apologies about the noise in the background from before. It was Diwali yesterday, and every year we have celebrations around where I live and all over the world for all the people that celebrate Diwali, and fireworks are set off during that time. And they were doing a fireworks display for about 3 hours around my way. So if the noise was a bit of a distraction, I do apologize. They're still doing a bit today, but it won't be as loud as it was yesterday. But anyway, let's get cracking on. What do women feel and think about you? So women feel and think that you are the type of person that people would like to settle down with, regardless if you are a male or a female. Okay, women view you as someone that people fall in love with, people, you know, want to give their heart to. There's something about, say you're a female listening to this, right? Hey, women think to themselves, how did you get that guy? Or if you are into the same gender, right? They think, how did you get that girl, right? There's something about your way of being that makes people fall in love with you. And I feel like it's because you've got a kind, genuine heart. And you have this energy where people actually want to give to you, okay? And it's almost, I'm hearing the word damsel in distress. I'm not saying that you are. I don't feel that you are. I feel that you are very cemented in your feminine energy. Now, even if you are a male listening to this, I feel like you have a healthy balance of your masculine and feminine qualities. And this is what makes people want to give to you. And if you are a female listening to this, you treat yourself with care, you treat yourself with love and respect, may I add, first and foremostly. And this is what makes, especially when you're in connections, this is what makes people want to give to you, because you exude an energy of how you want to be treated by you treating yourself in the same way. So people want to match that energy, right? I also feel, right, that you are the type of person that can make a non-committal person want to actually settle down. So say, for instance, you started chatting to someone that you are interested in, right? You have that ability to make that person want to settle down, even if they say like, oh, I'm not looking for a relationship, or they make it be known during your time together or getting to know each other that it's not a relationship or whatever it is, right? Once they get to know you, once they go out on a date with you, possibly about 2 or 3 dates, right? Well, once they get to know you and get a taste of your essence, like get a feel of who you are to the core of you, you know, they cancel every other person they could have been speaking to, or they stop looking because they found the person within you. And you could be quite shocked. And what actually tends to happen is that if you like the individual that you encountered or that you are having a connection with more stronger in the beginning, they start to like you more. And they can actually become obsessed with you. But you have that ability, I might do a video on this actually, but yeah, you have that ability to make those that claim they don't want to be in a relationship actually want to settle down with you, or actually want to be in an actual relationship with you. They're the ones telling you that you are both together. Imagine that, right? But I feel like women feel as if you are quite closed off emotionally. There's something about you, I feel, that women may try and downplay who you are and your essence, you know, because this is actually the Queen of Cups, and the Queen of Cups is known as the most beautifulest queen in the tarot, right? But it's in the reverse. So I feel like women can try and play down your beauty, and again, it's a way of trying to humble you. Even if you're a male listening to this, you could be like a pretty boy or something, or extremely attractive, right? And I feel like women view you as someone that knows that you're attractive, so they don't want to gas you up. So they may make you feel as if you're not all that when you truly are, because they wouldn't be hovering around you, right? But they don't want you to know how hot you are, in case that you actually connect with someone that is actually an energetic match. If you are a female listening to this, women may try and downplay your beauty. or they may try and convince themselves and others that you're not who you say you are. So you could be exuding love, you could be a very extremely attractive, beautiful person, and they won't compliment you at all. They'll probably act as if they can't see you, for some of you, right? Some of these women will try and downplay your personality and convince themselves that you're actually the opposite to who you are, which is someone that's kind, loving, genuine, compassionate, empathetic. They will make out that you are, you know, I'm getting tongue-tied, manipulative, I don't know why I'm getting tongue-tied, guys, but yeah, manipulative, condescending. They'll act like you're very, I feel like you get a lot of projections onto you. And unfortunately for some of you, you may get females that may have encountered females like yourself that have triggered them when they were younger, or you remind them of someone that always got the hot guy, or you know, you remind them of someone, say you're masculine listening to this, or a male listening to this, right? You remind them of someone that turned them down in the past. So they'll try and humble you, right? Or they will try and act like, based off how you look and how others are drawn to you, they will act as if you manipulated your way. See, I got it right. See, I got it, guys. They will act as if you manipulated your way to get people to come towards you. They will act as if you have a hidden side. I mean, we all got different sides to us, right? We all got the shadow side and the light side, but they will act as if you're not who you say you are. They will not want to believe that you could be someone with a genuine kind heart and someone that's actually extremely attractive, right? So they'll convince themselves, especially if they act very in intent towards you, they will convince themselves that you deserve to be treated in the way that you are treated. And it's their way of playing out their wounds from the past. You know, say for instance, if they liked a guy but the guy turned them down, it's their way of trying to get back at the guy from the past through ignoring you or trying to belittle you. Or if they liked a guy and the guy liked the girl that looked like you from high school, they will try and take it out on you. Or if they see you looking amazing, they will just automatically think, oh, my partner would like you. Do you understand what I mean? Yeah, it's that type of thing. Unfortunately, you have a lot of women that feel the need to compete with you as well, especially if there's like a specific person that they may like, but they find that this person may like you, or again, they may feel like, oh, if that person sees you, you know, you do have a lot of women that feel the need to try and take you down, or they feel like you're going to take away their partner. If you are a male listening to this, a lot of females compete for your attention. This may not be done in the 3D. It could be done spiritually. Like, there's a lot of competition around who can get you, and you're quite oblivious to this. So women may feel like you are, some of you are not actually, but women may view you as being oblivious to the fact that a lot of them want to be with you, and they could actually try and take others down just to be close to you. There's something around that, and they feel that you are not aware of their shenanigans, right? Yeah. Women feel as if you are very, very hypnotic. You're very powerful. You know, you have a commanding presence, and they feel like you know this, right? Women are intimidated by you. You know, they see you as a powerhouse. And some women may feel like, I want to connect with you. You know, we can be a power couple. For others of you, some women may feel like you're quite threatening. Women may feel as if they can't compete with you, you know, even if they try and isolate you, they just feel like your energy is very powerful. Your energy intimidates. But they feel as if the only way they can humble you is to try and attack your confidence, you know, attack your love life. In some cases, you may get some women that try and take away your partner. They try and be third parties in your connections because it's their way of boosting their own ego. So women view you as someone that is like themselves sometimes, especially like women that are quite vindictive. They project how they are onto you, and they feel the need to try and destroy you, unfortunately for you.